Hey everyone! The release of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra upholds the company's annual practice of improving rather than completely reimagining its flagship. It is evident that the S26 Ultra is more about careful iteration than drastic change after spending a whole day using the phone in real-world scenarios such as late-night photography, morning performance tests, and evening city excursions. The S26 Ultra's unique privacy display option is among its most intriguing features. The material is only visible when seen directly from the front, thanks to this technology, which modifies the behavior of the screen. Nearly nothing will be seen to someone looking at the screen from an angle, such as on a crowded subway, train, or airplane. The screen is still among the greatest on any smartphone, aside from the privacy function. The S26 Ultra, which now supports 10-bit color output for richer color gradients, carries on Samsung's heritage of producing high-quality displays. When paired with Samsung's superior anti-reflective coating, the display functions incredibly well in strong lighting and outdoor environments. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 for Galaxy, Qualcomm's most recent flagship chipset tailored for Samsung, improves performance. The phone feels incredibly responsive and quick in daily use. Heavy workloads, multitasking, and app launches are all handled with ease. Benchmark results demonstrate significant increases over the last generation, especially in CPU performance, with certain tests showing boosts of 15 to 18%. Although not significantly, graphics performance also gets better. The new chip outperforms its predecessor by about 10% in GPU stress tests. One of the distinguishing characteristics of Samsung's Ultra line has always been camera performance, and the S26 Ultra carries on this heritage with a recognizable yet elegant arrangement. The primary camera is still a large 200-megapixel sensor, but this year it has a wider aperture. More light can access the sensor as a result, enhancing low-light photography and possibly lowering noise. Additionally, stabilization technology has advanced. Even when the phone is drastically rotated, footage stays level thanks to a new horizon lock option. Battery life is still a well-known tale. The 5,000 mAh battery that Samsung has utilized for multiple iterations of its Ultra phones is still used in the S26 Ultra. The S26 Ultra now supports up to 60-watt wired charging, a minor improvement in charging speeds. Although it still falls short of the incredibly quick charging options provided by some Chinese manufacturers, this shortens the charging time when compared to the previous version. With several special innovations that aren't available anywhere else, the S26 Ultra provides a refined and feature-rich experience for those switching from earlier devices. However, the upgrades can seem insignificant to those upgrading straight from the previous year's model. Ultimately, the Galaxy S26 Ultra demonstrates that Samsung's flagship strategy is on continuously enhancing a phone that is already among the most comprehensive smartphones available, rather than drastically changing every year. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.